I have to eat it with eggs. I do 2 shots of egg yolk. Problem is, if I have eggs, my stomach's gonna be screwed up for the rest of the time. So he's making me take 3 shots of mustard.
3? I thought it was 2.
It's 3 shots.
Oh.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is
I just do it real fast.
I am.
Yeah, so we don't have
Okay.
shot glasses. So yeah,
That's like,
more than a shot.
okay, let's just say that's 1.
Oh, I have to take that in medicine form. Like I have
Ready?
to take medicine or a spoon.
Uh,
That's oh, I'm not even feeling it.
swallow it as fast as you can.
I did.
Oh,
That's 1. Can we just say that's 2?
no.
Oh man, you know what, Terry? You know what's funny? If we would have an old toothbrush and you dared.
Come up with such good dares though.
I probably. Remember?
2.
Yeah, that's what that's from.
My eyes are watering. And then 3.
Beautiful.
Make it fun. Get this out of my sight.
I'm just gonna put it on. No, I'm not.
That's 3.
Think of mustard every time you eat a hamburger
You
from
can
now
stop
on.
it.
Please. Please just do that. Oh.
Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow and Wednesday.
Hi there.
I know.
Hi.
Oh, hi. It isn't like me in general.
Talking about our cat. Oh shoot, it's so dark in here.
We don't call him down.
You making a video?
Yeah.
Hi.
Wait, are you in frame? I can't see.
Yep, I
Okay.
was in. Okay.
Just wait. One day you're just gonna see me with like a camcorder in my hand. Just every 2 seconds I see you.
Okay. So.
I'm gonna be doing that as soon as I get it. Dare you to soak your shirt in water and. Oh yeah, that's what you were telling me. So like you were mixing both of ours.
So here you go. Here's the video.
Bye.
What is he doing?
Hey.
Let me load it. Ah. There, loaded.
Alright.
Steve!
Ow, stop.
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, shoot. Trying to get strikes, but it's not working. Okay, to all of you guys watching this video, you rock. You guys make me feel like a noodle. It's just too early. I can barely talk as it is. Because everybody inside is asleep. I got down from my bunk bed. And my cat was trying to scratch my hand when I was getting down. So when I was getting down, I had to like hit the floor hard. And almost everybody woke up and was like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" And I was like, "I'm getting up." And they're like, "What time is it?" I was like, 6:10. And I was like, "Oh, dang, you can barely see me." Okay, so yeah, just take all my energy. I just woke up. I want to do something productive. Oh, who am I kidding? I'm never productive. So early that I'm walking around in socks. Like, this whole area is wet from me stepping around because it's so moist outside. And it didn't even rain last night. It's so weird. It's just so moist. Matter of 1 hour, me and my sidekick right here. Probably I'm the sidekick, but whatever. Found a ticking firework. Threw it into our neighbor's yard. Goes big, catches on fire. Police were called, came over. We searched over here. Because Navi found something. Found a human trying to get into our yard. Sprayed him with bug spray. He ran. And and then that firework that we threw, after the fence firework, went even higher. And it exploded like not too high, but like real close to the house, which caught part of the house on fire. So, whoopsie whoopsie. I'm just joking. I wouldn't do that. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I wouldn't do that. Okay, well, it has only been an hour. It is 7:23. Only been an hour and everyone is still asleep. I am very much surprised at this, although it's kind of weird. But just sitting out here with my dog made me think about a lot of stuff. Fires? Burn. Candles are just a flame with a scent. Showers are just a rain with soap. When you're telling someone to be quiet, you're kind of disobeying your own rule. There's something inside of here, and it's a squishy sponge. Grass is hair of earth, and we're the barbers. And fleas. Days is just the sun and moon appearing and disappearing. What? Dogs have an interesting way to drink their water. This man stands up. No one touched it. Why can't we eat in a shower? We are aliens to aliens that are aliens outside of our alien world. Why is my squishy sponge just thinking of all this stuff? It's wrinkly. Why? Is it from my squishy sponge? Normal people do tasks one by one, while people with ADD or ADHD multitask. We get it all done all at once. It'll be a fair share. Oh my gosh, my brain hurts. I'm trying to decide if I should do a prank. But instead of like a bad one that I did on Steve, a good one. Oh, I don't know if I told you about the Steve one. I tried to do a prank on Steve 2 nights ago. It was horrible, that's why I'm not uploading it. Wait, people do this YouTube stuff for money. This is fun. Like, this whole YouTube stuff. Like, I don't know. It's just fun, and people... What the crap? Some people only do YouTube for the money and take it all for granted. It's not like that. No. I know I'm a small YouTuber, but I don't know. I've just been staying up a lot lately thinking about it. I don't know. So, my scooter, somewhere. So I am using this Razor scooter, which I am scared for my life because it is a foldable scooter, not a stunt or a pro scooter. There's a button on here. It's supposed to make lights appear, but nope. So I've been trying to learn how to whip, tail whip, and flat ground isn't working. So what if I jump from over here, like over here? You know what I mean? Like you'll see what I mean. Like tail whip off. So if I like kind of angle it this way, there you would still. Okay. This is kind of gonna be hard to see, but you know, let's try it. I didn't even go for it. Proof that I can jump. I can jump it. That's how I slip it. Dang! I don't know if you can see that, but that's just straight mud. Or dirt, or just like wet dirt mud. Okay. This is going to be very slippery, so let's see if I can whip it. I have no grip on the scooter because the grip tip is off, and I have muddy shoes. I'm gonna give this a break because I've been doing it longer than what I have on the camera, but no, you can't really see it that well. But it is slippery because of the mud. So, something else. It is 9 o'clock now, and everyone is slowly waking up. We just have one person sleeping. So still gotta be a little quiet about that. Because I mean, like, the door is just right there. And that right there, that's a screen. So probably everything I'm being said right now could be heard. So yeah. Okay, poor lighting. I found the greatest thing ever. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just a normal dog, right? Yeah, bring it in. Boots and dogs and boots and dogs and boots and dogs and boots and dogs. Boots and dogs and boots and dogs. Yo, I'm rapping about the dogs. Rapping about the dogs. Dogs. Rapping about the dogs. Them poodles. Okay. Thanks for watching. Fireworks will be uploaded tomorrow if I take a video of them, but thanks for watching. Bye.